Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, we've been talking about this potentially being a rounding bottom for so long now, and I think with yesterday's move, that is pretty much what it is. Just want to get one level in here, well, there's two levels, which are actually quite important. So I just want to get this one correct. Yeah. Okay, so that kind of was the zone. This area here is what we were testing, 108669, and kind of waiting for a break of that. But the important thing here is the weekly. So if you look, moving averages have crossed over, but we are below the 150. So for as long as you're below the 150, look at how long we've been flirting with this. We haven't really broken and found support above it. So last year was pretty much a range, kind of how do I put it? Yeah, we had a strong trend the year before, and then you went into this wide, almost a megaphone formation, but it's just a wide range. And now we're still in that wide range, but we have a higher low here formed. And now what you're looking for a break of at least 110. 188, so 1.10188. So you're looking for at least a break and retest of that environment, because if you look left, that's kind of where sellers have been coming in all the time. So I'm going to keep those levels in. They're quite important on the weekly, and there's one a little bit higher, and that's at 110.976. So today's non-farm payrolls, that's going to have a major impact on the dollar, and the big question is, do we have more jobs? Do we have people having work? We're really looking at the economy and saying everything's fine. So gold is starting to fly because they're waiting for the interest rates to drop. And yeah, so there's so much positive noise that the market's digesting. So non-farm payrolls is just one more bit of data that the market's going to want. So at the moment, 3 hours. When we looked at this yesterday, we were looking at this and we were looking for a pullback onto structure. We got the pullback onto structure, and we'll look at this on the 15-minute before accelerating hard to the upside. So that has created another level, which is there, and that's at 109.158. And when we start getting down to our levels that we want to be trading, you're going to see a little bit of chaos, to be honest. I just want to put this daily swing high in here at 108.762, and then let's just get down to the 15-minute and first just look at let's just look at hindsight. So first things first, we had these fairly strong levels here. That was the hourly one at 108.762. Look left, fairly strong structure, nothing really there, and then we had this one here at 108.669. So apart from this engulfing bar, which is not off any of these levels, it's pretty much in the zone. That was kind of the entry, and you would have been forgiven not wanting to take it because you're below the moving averages. But anyway, it didn't really pull back. So to be honest, there was nothing there that I would have missed. I don't think I would have taken that. When I saw this moving, I would have been waiting for a pullback onto structure, which never happened. So for today, you can see oscillators really grouping to the downside. I don't think you're going to have much. I think you're going to be going sideways until non-farm payrolls. And is a 15-minute level here at 109.420. So moral of the story for today is quite simple. We're looking for either 109.420 to hold, but I don't think that's going to happen unless we gap up with non-farm payrolls, move sharply to the upside, and then pull back to come find structure. But then I think if that happens, you're probably going to be looking for a buying opportunity off 109.492 rather. So if this thing starts drifting lower and sort of drifts, then I'd be looking around here at 109,158 for an opportunity to jump in on this, but not before non-farm payrolls. I'd want non-farm payrolls to happen, wait 15 minutes to half an hour after the data, and then you can see where the levels are and then look for the opportunity. Depending on the data, that is good, you're looking for the longs, that is bad. I just leave it, open up a beer and wait for Monday, because it's just going to whipsaw and frustrate you completely. So that's kind of my view on Forex today, but I think, that bigger range that we've been in most of, pretty much most of this week as well, I think this is a thing of the past. We've broken through. You're probably looking for structure breaks now, and you look at this on the daily, you've got a nice crossover now of all the moving averages. Granted, we're pointing to the upside here quite sharply, and there's a lot of overhead resistance, but I think any pullback onto decent structure is going to be a clear opportunity to buy. And look at this massive pin bar here. Maybe not today, but sometime in the future, this 108868 area would be a very, very interesting area to jump in for some medium-term swing trades. Anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.